Want to build an app without coding? Watch this before you choose. Today we are comparing Softr and FlutterFlow. Both tools help you build apps without writing much code, but they are built for very different use cases. Let's start with Softr. Softr is a no-code platform. It works mainly with Airtable or databases to create simple apps and websites. It's great for internal tools, client portals, and MVPs. Now, FlutterFlow, FlutterFlow is a low-code app builder. It lets you design and build mobile apps using Flutter. It's more powerful and closer to real app development. Here's the main difference. Software is simple and no code. Flutterflow is more advanced and flexible. Looking at features, software offers templates, easy UI building, and quick deployment. Flutterflow offers full app design, logic building, API integration, and code export. In terms of ease of use, software is easier and faster to start. Flutterflow takes more time to learn but gives more control. Now, use cases, software is best for simple apps and internal tools. Flutterflow is best for building full mobile apps. Now, pricing, both have free plans. Flutterflow can get more expensive depending on features and usage. So, software is better for quick, simple project. Flutterflow is better for building real, scalable apps. So, which one should you choose? Choose software if you want something simple and fast. Choose Flutterflow if you want more control and a real app experience. Both are useful. It depends on what you're building. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.